You're welcome.
I don't tell you to sit down. I'm the all stand down even before my boss said the colleague said stand down.
Okay.
And me, I stood up.
Yeah.
Because once you sit down, I can't sit down.
They'll give you extra thing.
You're welcome. Thank you. I can see. Okay, it's not a new place. Yeah, got beside there.
There's no new place.
Okay, it's
No new place. There's still like, there's tribunal still like. Some still like.
So, Luciano,
My love,
your matter is for continuation of the examination.
examination chief and possibly cross examination.
Which I didn't see it. Yeah.
Yeah, 2 months.
Yeah. Your matter is mutual.
There was.
Luciano and that way.
Yes.
You understand the witness involved in your case on the screen.
Yes, that's what.
So it was a little time. Let's start with number 3.
No problem.
Start with number 3.
Number 3 of the conflict with appeal number T80/SLS/017/2023 with the veteran that is Chevron Global Services Limited that was acquired from State Internal Revenue Service.
Was it meant to be virtual?
Yes, it wasn't meant to be virtual.
We made a really start.
Yes, this is just for our some of our clients to be able to join virtually. Meant to be so.
But I know the problems we were facing with the program.
All right, with profound respect to the tribunal, my name is Nuruddin Aziz. And I appear with my learned friend, Cynthia Okezie. For another appearance for the appellant, Chevron Global Services. Nobody. We have Shoma Obi.
I'm coming to that.
All right.
You look around it later.
Yes, there was a communication to the respondent notifying me of the notice. There was no
I mean, is it near the type of the response?
respondent, no.
Yes.
That Chioma will be representing the applicants. If Chioma will be can unmute her mic, open her camera
This one is designation.
and tell the tribunal what is your designation.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Obi Chioma. I'm the finance manager for Chairborne Global Services. Thank you.
No, just the MD's PA, but it's not a difference. All right, the matter is adjourned for continuation of cross-examination. We are, however, prepared to proceed with the cross-examination, but unfortunately, the respondent once again has failed, refused, and or neglected to produce their witness whose cross-examination had already commenced. On the last adjourned date, Honorable Chairman, the Honorable Tribunal made a specific order that the respondent must produce their witness for continuation of cross-examination today. The order of the court obviously was disobeyed by the respondents.
Conclusion.
So we want to make a little bit, just if the tribunal can give us maybe 2 or 3 minutes.
Right.
All right. They didn't just disobey the order of the tribunal, they also refused to send any correspondence
to the tribunal as to the reason why they are not before the tribunal this morning. The reason why this matter is still pending up to this time, Honorable Chairman, is because of the action and inaction of the respondent. We therefore respectfully submit that the respondent cannot be allowed to hold this tribunal and this appeal hostage. In the circumstance, we will be asking for the following order of this honorable tribunal. Having given the respondent every ample opportunity to provide their witness to undergo the test of cross-examination. An order for foreclosing, yes, number one, for foreclosing the respondent from further relying on the said witness. An order deeming the respondent to have abandoned the said witness.
The witness already abandoned the respondent or the respondent abandoned the witness.
Yes, they're abandoning their witness.
The way you said it.
An order.
It's like, you
Okay.
should have turned it.
All right, let me make
Is
it
the
clear.
witness
An
who has
order.
abandoned the respondent?
The respondent having abandoned their witness, meaning that maybe they are no longer interested in the testimony of the witness.
Or the witness can abandon the
Respondent.
The witness that.
We know that Lawrence abandoned their first
Well,
witness.
go on.
All right. Thirdly, an order striking out expunging discontenancing, or in the alternative, . or in the alternative, attaching no probative value to the witness deposition
It sounds like your final submission in the appeal.
So we want to knock the testimony out entirely so that we can go straight to the to final address.
So in your final address, what will be your submission?
So what
This will be your submission.
Our submission obviously will be that we have an appeal.
This will form part of your final submission.
But this conclusion.
Once we is very.
Yes.
You are saying, of no probative, but
Yes, delay on their testimony.
Yes. What?
Then, in the alternative, however,
Or in the alternative, attaching no probative value.
yes, to the witness deposition or oral testimony already given before the tribunal. As the appellant having denied the appellant the opportunity to complete its cross-examination.
As the applicant having denied.
As the respondent denying the appellant the opportunity to complete its cross-examination. Finally, an order directing the parties to proceed to final address. To final address and such other consequential order that the tribunal may deem fit to make it a circumstance. Alternatively, Honorable Chairman and respected member of the tribunal, if the tribunal is alternatively that the tribunal is magnanimous enough, which we urge the tribunal not to,
Yes.
to give the respondent another chance who will be asking for the cost of 2 million naira
Yep.
for the expenses the appellant has incurred both for flights, logistics, accommodation, and feeding in coming for this appeal. And we are ready to provide the tribunal all the receipts, both for the flight, for the hotel, for the feeding, we have incurred. As a matter of fact, sir, just on record, sir, as a matter of fact, sir, we had a very difficult moment in the office within the week when we applied to come for this case. Because the appellants were like, we are not going, and we have expended over 20 million for logistics on this case. What is happening? Already thinking probably we're not doing anything on the case.
That's your professional fee.
No. I mean, not professional fee, sir.
Logistics.
Logistics. We don't, anytime we are in Benin, we don't spend less than 4 million, sir.
They don't have, they always fund their movement. So that is nothing is different.
Sure, it's a lot of money there. But we started this matter.
Since 2023, sir, I think.
No, we are not aware. We started this matter. We started this matter on the 10th of March.
2025.
You mean the hearing?
We started this case on the 10th of March.
Yes, I understand, because I think the
Now,
tribunal.
Mr. Edwin Mowa.
Yes. I mean, the tribunal has not been constituted during those periods when it was fine. However, what we're asking for is just for the expenses we have incurred of recent.
When did this condemnation?
We are most obliged. Thank you very much.
Have they awarded cost in this case before?
No, sir, we're magnanimous enough not to apply for cost, but I think we.
You have asked for 2 million. For the point to work.
Well, now, okay, now we will come
Cost
to
follow,
the.
cost follow event. Cost will follow event.
Yes, no circumstances.
I'm not away a phone call.
Not even one person.
You would have come back here.
Cost me a job. It's like, what's this? Yeah.
The 15th, the 20th of May. We received a letter by January as well. The respondents, we also only circumstances relating to their absence. 17th of June. Okay. Well, yeah. So, the patient, okay, go ahead.
It seems
You know,
it's if
100,
my anonymous reporting of it. 14, 15, 16. Any date in 14, 15, 16. So we are coming from one day.
Are you in the Malone?
No, still.
Yeah. But are you in the Divine Wisdom?
No, sir.
Usually. On the 19th of May 2026, Council to the respondent wrote a letter to the tribunal and suggested an adjournment to today, and the tribunal obliged him. There is no explanation for the absence of both the counsel to the respondent and the respondent for today's hearing. This case has suffered two adjournments by the instance of the respondent since the respondent opened his defense of this appeal on the 15th of April 2026. We are, however, inclined to award costs rather than foreclosing the respondent at this stage. We are also mindful that costs in circumstances like this should not be punitive, but to assuage the party whose case will not proceed because of the conduct of the respondent. In the circumstances of this case, we are awarding the cost of 300,000 naira only against the respondent in favor of the appellant. This case is further adjourned to the 14th July 2026 for the continuation of presentation of the respondent's witness by physical attendance at the tribunal.
Thank you.
And then the hearing notice to issue. Hearing notice to be served on the respondent.
Thank you very much.
Okay, the witnesses are not still on the recording. Call number 4. Your witness is still on there.
Is that right?
Call number 4.
Number 4 on the first digital appeal number T80/SMS/116/5. That's the Board of Internal Revenue and Fixed Trade Offshore Fiscal Credit Limited.
Yes, I can't station.
No, sir, you're not giving him the 5.
So you saw
The rest of, so,
not the fast.
yeah, it's not before.
Appearances.
With utmost respect, Mr. Chairman, honorable members. My name is I.M. Ben Ben, and I appear for the appellant.
Are you online?
I'm sending message.
No response. They didn't apply or they didn't need to apply because we had, the last time we had done it to. We were here on the 20th of May. No, I don't need to put it. I'm working on the next. Okay, they are not here.
They call you. They communicate with you. No. We'll give them.
No material, none.
Just
Yes, no, yeah, just tell you.
we'll give them other dates. We'll leave them to their house. When their situation is somehow not like the regular one we are used to. So, I'll give them the opportunity.
This one irregular.
They are not represented by a council, so always give them the opportunity to do that.
I mean, I've seen the case that, there's a case, he went up to the Supreme Court and the young man won the case. He didn't, wasn't represented by counsel. A university student. Okay.
It was reported last week. I said the matter was reported last week.
Exactly.
That is just one in a million. It's not anybody.
The case was even sent back to Papi for a trial also. He came back and still followed it up.
And the person was in law students. Yes.
Is it?
Yes.
Was it a lost?
He was a law student.
It wasn't a law student. I think it's something engineering.
Yes. So I was surprised that despite all the technicalities in Court of Appeal and Supreme Court.
In the federal, you said it was old and depending on the strength of the case.
Well, it's fine. I could see the account of it. My worry is, that's why we keep trying to.
Give them election because these ones are not conducting.
I don't know how they are going to submit their final report. But they didn't even file the notice. They filed. Well, let's give them this. That's what part of the case. We put it for cases.
No, that's it is lawful.
You have one case there already now.
It's not convenient. Let's keep it to Wednesday. It's not convenient.
Wednesday about the 15th. Okay. Hearing notice is ordered to be served on the respondent, and this case is further adjourned to the 15th July 2026 for defense. Yes. Alright. Is number two, score number two first. This so are you going to go back to work? You say no, yes. Are you going back?
But this time I will need to leave.
Okay, you have a flights. What you
Yeah.
do?
Well, I flew from Port Harcourt to Lagos.
Your friend is in town.
Yes, and drove
So,
from
with him. He's hosting you today. He hosted you yesterday. I would have loved us to come to you.
No problem.
Then we'll come to your place.
Yes, sir.
Number two, on the cost of opinion, C8 is very one night of it, right? That's the word of vision of Bennett productive Nigerian.
With utmost respect, Mr. Chairman and honorable members. My name is I.M. Ben Ben. I appear for the appellant. The appellant is represented by Mr. Omeko Barakin Crash.
Can I respond?
Yes, with all respects, I am T.A. Araboren. Apparently is,
So that's okay.
yes,
I need a.
I in S.A. and in yes, we have my appearance. Yes, I'm appearing for the respondent members.
I heard you say SAN.
S.A. S.A.
No,
S.A. and those are the initials. Every part of the respondents. And we have somebody representing the respondents and Mr. Ezekiel Erode.
I'm going to
Yeah,
Okay,
mention your name.
can I come in now? Okay.
Hold on.
Okay.
Yes, you said it's what?
Mention your name. Can you mention your name?
Okay, my name is Mr. Ezekiel Urode. I'm the accountant for Benin Projecting.
Ezekiel
Ezekiel Urode.
URO.
URO HODE.
Designation, right?
I'm the accountant for Benin Projecting, Nigeria Limited.
Because I don't today for continuation of hearing.
We are ready to proceed with our examination.
Okay. Don't worry, are we ready?
Yes, sir.
We'll wait to start with the.
He started before too.
Yeah, I think
He
it was
started.
cross-examined.
Yes.
And it was cross-examined.
Yes, we now brought the motion, which was taken.
Okay, yes.
So is it a continuation of PW2? I don't know how to designate it.
The witness are not been discharged.
I see.
Morning, sir.
Don't swear to request.
Chairman, before we proceed, the witness, the representative for, Ghana, the respondent, if his name is Urude Ezekiel, I think he needs to go offline.
He says Ezekiel Orodo.
He's the one, so he
Orodo.
needs to go.
Oh, it's a party rep.
Yes, he's the witness in this.
He's the-
He's the witness. He needs to go offline.
Is it the way?
Yes, I just checked. He's the witness. Yeah.
Let him go offline. Is there a way you can knock him off?
Yes, just sign it.
Sign him off.
That's what I want.
Explain to him that they will sign him off.
All right, let's
Just let him.
You will see the days, can see the days.
Yes, Ezekiel, we are picking you off line because you will be witness in the case and you are not supposed to be present while this witness is testifying. So that explains why.
Okay, so I can sign off.
Yes.
You on standby?
Yeah, stand by there.
They'll come by.
Okay.
Okay, start. Yes, sir.
Go ahead. Just go ahead.
Morning, sir.
Good morning.
Your name, please.
Hi. Dr. Paro. You're already on put.
Already on my. I just have.
I want to, that I want to show.
Your name, please.
Hi. Dr. Paro, the ransom home.
You are hereby reminded that you are still on code.
Doctor, you made an additional witness position on the close. With respect to this appeal on the 15th day of May, 2026. Would you see a copy, will you be able to?
Which date?
15th of May, 2026.
Yes, Doctor. Yes, this is the additional witness disposition on oaths I made on the 15th of May, 2026.
Do you wish to adopt it as your evidence?
Sorry, I see 13 here.
13. That's your process, sir. That's your process.
Let me see.
Yeah, it's. Sorry,
I think it's attached to emotion.
You wish to adopt it as your further evidence to press vote on this appeal.
Yes, I do.
Richard.
Okay, okay. Are we, yes, adopted, everybody else? Okay, good.
In paragraph, in
Yes,
paragraph 9 and 10. Paragraph 9 and 10, we made reference to two documents. You see.
Yeah, these are the two documents referred to in my additional deposition and vote of 15th May 2026.
Mr. Chairman, we seek to tender that as exhibit. This appeal.
Mr. Agora.
No objection.
Why need to tender their breach copy like this?
For purposes of clarity, we prefer to take out. We will agree to pass another lecture.
Let me shut it. Let me go.
Yes.
Yes.
The two documents identified and tendered by the witness are admitted in evidence and marked as follows. Letter dated 12th March 2018 from the JTB to Fisayo Oye is marked as a disease. BSROM B. Bayelsa State Administrative Map, first edition 2006 is marked as a disease. BSROM, respectively.
Most systems. Check this one.
Okay. Thank you. Sorry. Letter dated 12th March 2018 from JTB to Fisayo Oye is marked as a disease. BSRON, N as you know. Then the Bayelsa State Administrative Map, first edition 2006 is marked as a disease. BSRO, respectively. Yes.
Yes.
But to examine him.
A few questions. It's not a mercy now. big title, I see Mr. Mukoro here, that's the same name. Mukoro.
There was.
Okay, there. You said documents. It's all right. It's all right. It's a same paper. Dr. Mukoro. Now, the whole essence of this last additional evidence is to show that this territorial space contained in Exhibit BSRO and referenced in Exhibit BSRN. Sorry, sir. The essence of this whole recall, this whole exercise of today is to show that the whole of this territorial space yes, Bonga, Bonga and Sea Eagles contain the exhibit BSRO. That's this your documents and reference. Yes, BSRO and referred to, that's what I mean by referred to, and also referred to as the BSRON. Geographical space contained within Bayelsa states. Just to show that Bonga as a territorial area and Sea Eagle.
Doctor, don't let lawyers confuse you. What is asking is, what is asking is that these two documents you just brought now is to show that Bonga field and all that is within Bayelsa State military. Is that why you brought the document?
Yes and no.
Yes and no.
Yes, yes. To the extent of providing clarity. I have permission of my question.
Permission of
Bunga has been within the taxing jurisdiction of the Bayelsa State Board of Internal Revenue. By the Joint Tax Board. In addition to showing the legal basis for our taxing rights. As provided for in section in the first schedule. Paragraph 1. Of the Personal Income Tax Act, Amendment Act 2011. Yes, but no. with regards to mineral resources. And being on the continental shelf. But being on the continental shelf. Or it moves boundary.
The continental shelf.
Or it moves boundary. Of Bayelsa. Under the Territorial Act. Which speaks to mining rights and other mineral resources. Which speaks to mining rights and other mineral resources. With no bearing on personal income tax. It's a natural resource.
It was, okay, go on.
Fishing line.
My question was just to say that this thing is a physical location within
I
Bayelsa.
think he has explained everything.
So I didn't ask anything about what categories of
He has
taxation.
explained everything.
It's not in the past law. How we get there, we get there.
You may not even need to program him.
Understand you. Sometimes too much of philosophical level of education takes us out of what we can contend with.
He said a lot in this,
We know the things are there in the law. There's a personal record tax, there's things, yeah. We know that.
I think the summary of his answer is that yes.
That is
Your question.
It's exactly it. Now, please. I asked you again before, I asked you this before, and I'm asking it again. Before you capture any company, any working organization or company within your Bayelsa territory for personal data, you must have records of such category of workers. You should operate on record of such staff.
I want to take that to the line of question. So
I said yes. I said before you arrive at any taxation, personal taxation, staff taxation, let me be very specific. You should found it. You should base it on facts, record of facts. That's something on records on facts.
yes. Doctor, you did
Yes. To the extent of conformity with relevant provisions of the Personal Income Tax Act. Which provides in section 54 of PISA 2011 that the tax authority
may resort to an administrative assessment. On the failure of the taxpayer to file a statutory report. Or provide information requested.
Now I'm happy, you are the one putting that, say on the failure of the taxpayer to file returns or refuse or fail to information requested. Now, there were some letters.
Mr. Agabora,
Yes, sir.
it's not just failure to file returns. You may file returns, and if they don't
But they are not satisfied.
believe,
The
they
request.
don't believe
The request.
the
Yes, the request.
Yes, if you file and
Yes,
they say
exactly.
they doubt the
Exactly.
they doubt that
What you have filed, exactly.
you can-
Now, yeah. Now, there's people, the respondents here wrote you a number of letters telling you we have. Yes,
we want to record your questions.
it's all right.
You said they are-
The respondents wrote you a number of letters. On the 28th February 2023.
Yeah.
Sorry about that. 2nd of May 2023. And 10th of May 2023. Telling you we do not do any business. Guys, you also made reference to them, you know.
That we doesn't do.
We don't do any business in Bayelsa State at all. Please provide to us.
Those letters are these bits.
Yes.
Okay.
These are our sponsors. That's the question that
You
they also made reference to them in that.
Yes, you know finish with the question.
Yes,
Say,
sir.
please provide to us.
Please provide to us the basis upon which you are taxing us, because we don't have business in your territory at all. I'll say that one.
Doctor,
I have a question, sir.
just what are the look at this, what is this address? You should just identify them on the. The letter of 28th February.
Second May.
Particularly one dated 2nd May 2023. And 28th.
On second of May.
Yes, that's what I said.
28th February is the BSR9. Is that 9 or what?
Yeah.
So it is correct. Okay. Then this is the
That's probably my daughter, but the one dated 2nd of May,
Then the one of second,
third paragraph. Third paragraph.
1 year.
Second May 2023.
What the date of receipt?
Oh, sorry, that's.
Are you referring-
That's the date of receipt, I'm sorry.
You are referring to
I'm sorry, my
that-
daughter, I'm sorry, yes, it is what is small out there.
The other one,
Third of April, third of April.
the other one was,
Yes,
the 28th
All right,
February.
all right.
That was 21st.
Yes,
And correct it.
yes, my daughter, I'm
21st
sorry.
February,
Yes, 21st February 2022.
yes.
And
Then, that says it's, ESRG.
the third April.
Then, 3rd May, I mean, 3rd of April.
Third of April, my daughter. Yes. I'm sorry, I was looking at the date
What
of
is this? It's very pure. But that's the model.
I'm sorry, yes.
3rd of April is the SRL.
Okay. I shouldn't have,
Is
yes,
the SRL.
yeah.
And,
Yes. Yeah, well, we can do that for now. I think that's the subject.
then that 10th of May is 8th of May,
It's 8th of May.
yes,
You are right.
8th of May.
Sorry, I don't know.
And that is with,
It was the potential to distract.
with SRL.
Okay. I wrote them.
And as a Monday,
It's fine.
8th of May. Yeah. Good everyone. I wanted to see it. So it is. Your question,
My question is particularly,
let me, don't know the question. You say the respondent wrote you a number of letters on the 21st February 2023. That is the DSRG. 3rd of April 2023, that is the DSRL. And 8th May 2023, is the DSRL. To notify you that it does not do any business in Bayelsa State. And I will provide the basis for passing it. That's it. So we wanted to add another.
you received the letters, it's a good reference to them. My question.
Yes, alongside, so did you receive the letters?
Yes, we received this data.
However, these data were in response to a notice of refusal and a final demand notice. And in our notice of refusal dated 13th of March 2023. The board had given conditions of employment
In our NORA,
in our NORA of 13th of March 2023. The board had given conditions on which it will carry out a review. Assessment. And a review. It's assessment, it's a decision assessment. All of which were met.
Yes.
I wish I understand what he's saying. Well, you are saying that
What
because
he says, those cases, those cases were a response from your clients. That's right. To the board. Yes. To the NORA. Yes. And to the NORA and the final notice. To their final notice and the NORA. And that the board had given conditions upon which he carried out a review of the administrative assessment. And that your clients did not meet any of the conditions. Is that not what I said?
yes. Can you tell us what were some of the conditions?
This is the NORA 13th of May, of March.
Can you? What was some of the conditions? I didn't need the list. Yes.
So, let me look at this.
BSMG. Is BSMG.
BSMG,
BSMG.
RG,
G.
J.
You don't know about what is it?
Notice of digital permit.
Okay, the NORA.
13th March.
Yes. It is in the report.
Yes, ROG.
You want him to read out the conditions? Yeah, they don't know the
conditions.
Yeah, this is.
Don't the documents.
Yeah, this is.
When I asked for the response, he's here to talk to us because he said.
He has answered, he said. Our NORA office. What? I'm sorry. Okay, you want to. Can you tell the tribunal for some of the conditions where? Yes.
It's fine here. Can I read the later?
You want him to read it?
Very few now, very few like that.
Second paragraph. However, you scattered around the issue of the deploying personnel to carry out offshore corporate service at Bonga Field and CEO FPS, both of which are by outside paid for the general impact. As such, we will give you this notice of without permit, and we only consider a review when you visit 14 days of receiving this data to as follows. Carry out a thorough self-assessment for the period. Pay the self-assessed taxes. Provide the board with a detailed payroll schedule of all staff deployed to the tool. Yes.
Are you okay?
Yes, I see it. So the one says, show me evidence of assessment. I say, until you pay it, we will not show you evidence. That's the implication of that. That's the condition.
No, I didn't understand.
It's all right.
I don't understand. I don't think I understand that to me. Pay all the trouble.
No, that's what he's saying. This the 3 lines of this thing.
That is.
I'll show it. It's a carry that shows the right, then pay within 14 days.
Carry out a thorough self-assessment for the period.
Yes.
Did your client?
The man say, we are not there at all. That's what I'm saying, they're putting to him. I mean, I just want him to say it. by himself. The man said, we are not there at all. My question, my focus is to.
Well,
Yeah, don't carry out any thorough assessment.
There's no, we have not, no assessment because we don't.
and he said
There's no privity of contract.
And they say, Prof, see,
The last one.
the last one, provide a board, the detailed payroll schedule of all staff deployed to the 2 locations.
To the 2 locations, if they are there. Oh, that's okay. We will address on that when
So
we
if you
get.
provide the list of staff, and
The man said we don't work there.
none was what I'm saying, if you provide the payrolls of your staff. And it doesn't indicate that any of your staff work on the field.
Does it cost you anything?
Doesn't cost you.
Does it cost you?
They say provide the board with it, to the 2 locations. List of staff, if he has to provide list of staff that works in Lagos.
What you're saying is you wanted that to.
No, that's what we are saying.
So there was
He
no
was.
business providing.
Yes,
staff.
okay.
Asking questions. If you ask 1 or 2 last questions, I'm done with this.
Let's go on.
Wow. Now, from the even your evidence, this location you call what do you call it? Bonga is essentially the location where Shell, it's a Shell, yeah, where Shell does business. Okay, this location Bonga and Sea Eagle. There are locations where Shell, Nigerian company, or whatever it's called, does business.
That is correct. Owned by Shell.
It's owned by Shell. Thank you. I'll put it more practically.
Mr. Adebayo,
Yes, sir.
that's your client do business for sure.
Sir, they do supply contracts.
Those are clients,
Yes,
render services to share.
yes, we give them staff, supply, staff,
Okay.
yes, and yes.
Okay.
We have indicated it there, not only to Shell, to other companies.
Yeah.
Now, part of your duty as a board of taxation is to also meet with the companies that work with the staff and gather information from them.
Is to also meet with the
The
company
companies, yes,
that do what?
that work with these staffs.
Yes.
And gather relevant information from them. It's part of your responsibility.
That's not a question.
I don't know. I don't know.
What's the answer?
Yes, part of our responsibility as a taxing authority.
Yes.
Is to review available contractual information.
Mr. Chairman, very sorry. Just what I observed in the transcript of the it's not correct because he said available contractual information. What I'm saying there is available contractor information. So I don't know.
That one is.
No, leave that.
Technical.
Those are.
Okay.
Leave that.
I think that
It's a
that
doctor.
will be hidden. That hidden from us because it's really contradicting the answer of our witness. So what I'm saying there, yeah, it should be removed.
Screen.
Yes, it should be
Screen,
removed.
right up.
I've noticed what you are saying.
Many.
I think when you read it, it doesn't flow
Yes.
with it. I think that when the manuscript is being brought out to the corrections.
Okay,
I've noticed it. So
that
it has nothing to do with it.
It's all right.
Yes, I've seen it.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
It's digital glitch.
I'll be taking.
You know, sometimes when you pronounce it words, this
It will not-
depends on the country of
It
men.
will
Yeah.
make it wonderful.
Depends on the country of
Yes,
so
yes.
the way if you pronounce a word and it gives you a word that it thinks
Like the Kenyans will say that Nigerians don't speak the English. We
that
understand.
is why we write. So they always
Yes.
reconcile
All right.
with what we write.
And the language imputed,
Yes,
US or UK.
you're US or UK. Yes. So it's always reconciled with what we write. The witness say yes, part of our responsibility as a taxing authority is to review available contractual information.
All right. Now, how would you say that?
Is this a contractual information?
Yes.
Contractual. Contractual information.
Well, the question is whether
But I hate contractor.
Contractual.
Contractual. Contractual. That was the last thing you said.
yes, it's all right. Now,
You say you had only one more question.
yeah, I said one or two more questions.
Okay.
Now, in connection with this case in hand, did you ever meet with Shell Nigeria Limited? With Shell? Connection with this dispute between you and the rest, did you meet with Shell to say, look, these people, this is your location. If you want to see the list of these people, let's find out whether these people are there. Did you meet with Shell? Did you give you any documentation, anything?
Joe, no, we did not meet with Sharon on this matter. No, we did not meet with Sharon.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, one more.
Re-examination?
Me.
Make it 6 months.
When 10%. Not only 50%, it's talking about the Ezekiel.
Mr. Ezekiel, Rode, you are still.
Calling, it's not, yeah.
Okay.
It was sent.
So you're not to.
It was sent.
David, do you have another witness?
That is the case for the
First question.
applicant.
Yeah, okay. Sure.
Yes, sir.
You have a witness.
We do have a witness.
Take a date for him.
Take a date for hearing, Mr. Attorney General.
Give me a date. What is explain the case? This place in Nigeria. She's still July. It's for defense.
Tenth, 17th. 15 to 14, 18.
2:15.
16.
No.
The thing is, okay. How many cases do we have for 15?
3.
So if you put this actually to last. That should be.
15.
15 or 14.
15, sorry.
That
It's combination.
should be the last 8%. By consent of the parties, this case is further adjourned the 15th to that kind of basis for the first.
As a company basis.
So I can
What about it?
this is can you give us 10 minutes just we'll come back by 10 minutes after 12. I see that you have been going out to, so let's do it for 10 minutes.
Thank you, Madam.
Close together again because you stood for us to see that.
National.